Hi, James from jameswu.net. Welcome to another Shotcut update. This one we are looking at Shotcut version 18.05.03, and one of the most exciting things that a lot of people have been waiting for, including myself, is actually keyframes. Yes, people, we have been waiting for keyframes, and keyframes is here. So let's check out this short video where I can run through some of the information, and before we do that, I'm going to get out of the way. You can see this tab over here, so you can see this tab over here as well. I have my timeline here. Okay, this is a video of a camel. Before I get started, this keyframe only works for the few filters at the moment. It works for gain, brightness, circular frame, color grading, opacity, size, and position, which will allow you to do actually quite a lot of things. I'm just going to do, say, the brightness thing. Okay, so let's add a brightness filter over there. So right now, if you add brightness filter and if you want to do a keyframe, your keyframes tabs will show up here. If you do not want to do anything about keyframe, that's fine. But we are going to do something about keyframes. Video. Let's play this and see. Alright. Okay, so you can notice that now it gives finer grain control compared to, say, just a fade in. Right? In the past, you can do a fade in video and you get the same effect. But here, because of the keyframing, it allows you to have better granular control. And in the past, you can actually, obviously at the end, fade out that video. But this is something that you can't do. Okay, so let's do this one here, and right at the end we're going to have this thing get nuked, so to say. Alright, of course here we don't want to nuke the camel at this point, we just want it to be here. Alright, so now let's play the video here. This is what this will look like. Mr. Camel is going to get toasted by nuclear. Alright, just kidding, but this is the effect that you can get using just the brightness and keyframing. Okay, besides that, you can also stack up the keyframes. For example, let's stack opacity up. So this is what's going to happen. The camel is going to get really nude. Alright. So this is some of the things that you can do with the keyframe feature. Now, besides that thing, one of the things that you need to check out is also the new audio channels. You can now do surround sound 5:1. Okay, I'm not going to demo it. I don't think I have any footage that is with so many channels recorded. So just to let you know, it's there. But one other thing is also that some of these filters here are actually new. They may have some issues. Alright, so be patient. So thanks for checking out this video. I hope that if you haven't checked out Shotcut, you can also look at my Shotcut review that I've done some time ago. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I appreciate that, and I hope that the material that I release here will be useful to help you make videos as well. This is James. Until the next time, bye bye.